She did not scream. She did not fall on the floor. She did not create a scene. She only held his hand tightly, as if her life was connected to it, and whispered the words she never thought she would say. "Please stay." Her voice was soft, but the pain inside her was loud. He stood in front of her, silent, confused, and already half gone. His name was Daniel. Her name was Anna. Anna was not a weak woman. She worked hard. She lived alone. She paid her own bills. She smiled even on difficult days. But love changes people. Love makes strong people vulnerable. She met Daniel 2 years ago in a small language learning group. She was learning English to improve her life. He was there to help students practice conversation. At first, they spoke only in simple sentences. How are you? What did you eat today? What is your dream? Slowly, the words became longer. The conversations became deeper, and the silence between them became comfortable. Daniel liked the way Anna listened. Anna liked the way Daniel explained things patiently. When she made mistakes, he never laughed. He corrected her gently. When she felt shy, he waited. That patience slowly entered her heart. They started meeting after class, sometimes for coffee, sometimes for long walks, sometimes just to sit and talk. Anna felt safe with him. For the first time, she felt understood. She did not fall in love suddenly. It happened slowly, like rain filling a dry river. Daniel never promised forever, but his presence felt permanent. One evening, while they were sitting quietly, Anna realized something dangerous. She loved him. She did not say it immediately. She was afraid. She did not want to lose what they already had. But Daniel felt it. He always did. One day, he said softly, "You feel more than friendship, don't you?" Anna did not deny it. She only nodded. Daniel stayed quiet for a long moment. Then he smiled and said, "I feel the same." That moment became her favorite memory. Their relationship was simple. No big drama. No loud fights. They talked about dreams. Daniel wanted to return to his hometown someday. His family was there. His responsibilities were there. Anna listened, but she avoided thinking too much. She believed love would find a way. But life does not always listen to love. One afternoon, Daniel came to her place. He did not smile. He did not look at her eyes. Anna felt a strange fear in her chest. He said, "We need to talk." Those 4 words changed the air. He explained slowly. His family wanted him back. His parents were getting older. They needed him. He said he tried to fight it. He said he tried to ignore it. But guilt was winning. Anna listened quietly. Her heart was beating fast. But she stayed calm. She asked only one question. "Is there someone else?" Daniel shook his head. No. That answer should have made her feel better. But it didn't. He stood up and picked his bag. That was when fear turned into panic. Anna stood up too. Her legs were weak. Her throat felt dry. She walked toward him slowly. Every step felt heavy. She held his hand. "Please don't go," she said. "Just stay." Daniel looked at her face. Her eyes were begging, but her dignity was still alive. "I need time," he said. "Time for what?" she asked. "To forget me?" He did not answer. She swallowed her pride. She swallowed her pain. "Stay tonight," she said. "Just tonight." Her voice broke at the end. She was not asking for marriage. She was not asking for promises. She was asking for one more night of togetherness. Daniel closed his eyes for a moment. When he opened them, the decision was clear. "If I stay," he said, "it will hurt more later." Anna replied quietly, "It already hurts." That sentence came from deep inside her soul. She was not crying, but her heart was screaming. Daniel slowly removed his hand from hers. "I'm sorry," he said. "Sorry." A small word, a heavy weapon. He walked toward the door. Anna did not follow him. She did not shout his name. She stood still, frozen. The door closed softly, but something inside her broke loudly. She sat on the floor, her back against the wall, her hands shaking. She stayed there for a long time. That night, she did not sleep. She opened her English notebook, the same notebook Daniel used to correct. She read old sentences. "I want to improve my English. I want a better future. I am afraid to lose you." Daniel once corrected that sentence. He added a full stop. She smiled sadly. Days passed. She checked her phone less. She stopped waiting for messages. Some nights were harder. Some mornings were empty, but she continued. She spoke English to herself. She wrote her feelings in simple words. "I miss him. I feel lonely. I am learning to let go." Slowly, the pain changed shape. It did not disappear, but it became lighter. One evening, while walking alone, Anna realized something important. She begged him to stay, but she never begged herself to leave the pain. She understood a hard truth. Sometimes love is real, but timing is wrong. Sometimes people leave, not because you are not enough, but because life pulls them somewhere else. Anna did not hate Daniel. She did not blame him. She just accepted the truth. One day, she smiled again, not because everything was perfect, but because she survived. She was still learning English. She was still building her life. And she was proud of herself, because even after begging him to stay, she chose to stand up and move forward.